Dear students of class 12th, since we are nowadays we are evaluating the Boolean expressions. Now today's question is this example second, as you can see on your screen. Using truth table, verify that A int in braces start B plus C means B or C braces closed R, as you know, plus means R here, A B not. So we have to evaluate this expression using Boolean, this algebra using truth table. So A braces B or C braces close plus A B not. So first of all, we should know we are having three variables over here, A, B, and C. So first of A, B, and C, we have to give them the combination of values. How many values they can take together? We have to give them the values. As you know, they can take only 8 values. So A, B, and C, as you can see in your truth table over here, A, B, and C. First of all, in these first three columns, we have to write A, B, and C, and we have to give the values to A, B, and C. We have to give the combination of three binary digits to these values. As you know, first value we will give 0 to every variable, then 1 to C means 1, then 2, then 3, as you can say this binary 3. So at last it is binary 8, and every variable A, B, and C is true over here. So I have already told you we can give only these 8 combinations of values randomly to these three variables. Then we have a term over here in our expression. At last, A B naught means B is naught is a different term. First, we have to get the value of B naught. So we will write here after A, B, and C. We will write in our truth table. We will write B naught, so that we will be able to know what is the value of B naught. As you know, B naught. What is B naught? B naught is the inverse of opposite of B. Whatever we have given the value to B, we have to write the opposite of that very value uh, in B naught. So if it is 0 somewhere in B, here it will be 1. If it is 1 somewhere in B, we have to write here 0. So you can see this is B, A, B, C, A के बाद B है, then C को छोड़ के B naught is here. B का वैल्यू देख के हमें B naught को वैल्यू देना है. So here B is 0, so B naught is 1. Here again B is 0 in second line, second row. Again B naught is 1. So in third row B is 1 and B naught will be 0, opposite of 1. In fourth row B is 1 and B naught will be 0. In fifth row B is 0 and B naught will be 1. In sixth row B is 0 and B naught will be 1. In seventh row B is 1 and B naught will be opposite of 1, that is 0. In seventh row, eighth row B is 1 and B naught will be 0. So we are now we have calculated the value of B naught. So we have to first just evaluate the difficult terms. Difficult terms means which are having some different value. B naught was the was the only term which was given the B variable. So we evaluated what is B naught. We are now able to see the B naught, what type of values a B naught can contain. Then the shortest term we must evaluate first. That is A B naught. Means actually it is A and B naught. As we know the value of A in the first column, we know in the truth table, we know the value of B naught in the fourth column. So by combining these two values, making the AND operation upon these two values, upon A and B naught, the value of A is given in the first column, the value of B naught is given in the fourth column. So we have to combine them. We have to make AND operation, means multiplication, upon these two values. You can see here in the first row A is 0, and in the same first row the value of B naught is 1. So 0 and 1, it is 0. So A B naught is 0. Again A is in second row, A is having the value 0, and in the second row and the same row B naught is having the value 1. We know when we do AND operation upon these two given binary digits 0 and 1, the result will be as 0. this can be only true, and it can have only value 1 only when both a and b naught are true or 1. Since here a is 0 in second row and b is 1, so by making AND operation upon them, 0 and 1 means 0. Then 0 and 0, it is again 0 in third row. In fourth row, 0 and 0, again it is 0. In fifth row, A is 1 and B naught is again 1. 1 and 1 means 1. As you know here, sorry. Yes. Then again in the sixth row, A is 1 and b naught is again 1. So the value of this AND operation, a and b naught, it will be 1. In seventh row, a is 1 and b is 0. We know when we make the AND operation upon 1 and 0, the result will be 0. And in the eighth row, a is 1 and b naught is 0. So 1 and 0 is equal to 0. So this a b naught is only true when both a and b naught are true. That means only in in sixth and even fifth and sixth row the values are 1. So we have evaluated this term, so we have to evaluate it term wise. Then we should know what is what is b or c, which is inside braces. We should know the value of b or c. We have to evaluate it term wise. So the value of b or c, it is simply b or c, b plus c. You know, if any one among B or C is true, the result will be true. If both are true, the result will be true. The result will be only false when both are false. So in first combination, you can see in first column, A is 0, and in first row, A is 0, and here A is 0 and B is 0 and C is 0. So result will be in OR operation when both are false, then result will be false. And elsewhere you can see most of the times one among the two, either B is true or C is true. So result is coming true over here in second row, and third row result is again true, in fourth row result is again true. And in this fifth row, since B and C both are false, the result is false. And in sixth, seventh, eighth row, one among them is true, so the result will be true. And in the last row, that's eighth row, B and C are both are true, the result is true. So we are now able to we have calculated the value of B, this term which is inside the braces, B and C, B or C, sorry. Then we have to evaluate this A braces B plus C. Since we know the value of B plus C means B or C, so what we have to calculate now is A and B or C. So what is the value of A and B or C? The B or C we know in this one, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. In the sixth column, we have evaluated the value of B or C. Now what we have to do? We have to do the AND operation upon A and B or C. So A is 0, B or C is 0, the result will be 0. A is 0 and B or C in second row it is 1. B or C, the result will be 0. We know the AND operation is only true when both the terms, means A and A is true and B or C is true. So it is many times it is false. It is false only in sixth row. You can say C, A is true and B or C is true. So when both are true, the result will be true. We are making the AND operation. And in the seventh row, again A is true and B or C is again true, the result will be true. And in the eighth row, A is true and B or C is true, the result is again true. So now we have calculated this value of this first A B naught, then A and B or C. Now what we have to do? We have to do the OR operation, which is plus operation between these two terms. So this plus operation is here, A B or C plus A B naught at the last. We know here recently we have calculated A and B or C, and before this in fifth this column we have calculated the value of A B naught. So what we have to do? We have to operate. We have to do the OR operation upon A B naught and this term, last but one term, but one last but one column, that is A and B are C. So we have to do the AND operation, OR operation. It will be true if one among the two values is true, or both are true, the result will be true. Here you can see in the first row, A B naught is false. A in this, then again A braces B plus C, it is again false. The result will be false. So we have calculated this. So result is true at 4 times, and 4 times it is 0. So now by applying these and or operations, we have calculated the value of this expression. So you must keep in mind, if we are given such an expression, a long expression, if it is having four variables, we have to give the combination of four values to those four variables first. If there are three variables like A, B, and C, first of all, we have to give A, B, C the values, the combination of three digits, that means 8 values. Then we have to calculate by first evaluating the short these terms. Then we have to combine them, and so that we will achieve the result. I hope you understood this expression. Thank you.